And after North Star took off, we would occasionally joke about opening a falafel shop, partly because I had been dreaming about opening a falafel shop since this very memorable college experience where I visited Paris and had amazing falafel. And then about 10 years ago, you might remember a place called Betty's, which was a beloved dive bar in the shore north, closed up, and that space became available a couple blocks from the original North Star. And we said, you know, what if we did what we do at North Star, the same ethos, the same approach to organic ingredients and great from scratch cuisine and hospitality and architecture, but what if we did something much smaller, simpler, and more focused? And that's when our jokes about a Mediterranean or a falafel shop became a business plan. I think we win because of the basics: really good food, service, hospitality, the way we make our guests feel.
As this cuisine becomes more ubiquitous and people become more familiar with it, how are you going to make sure that you are differentiating and sort of cutting through that increasing noise?
Well, I think it's always about the fundamentals. I hate to be boring, but I think if you've got great food, service, and environment, it's easy to compete. We've been double-digit comps all last year, so.
Outstanding.